Hey everybody, I'm Tom Simmons.
I'm Mlyniec.
We're back here in East Hartford at the Rentschler site. Now, we put out a video back in May showing what the site looked like at that time, what a huge undertaking it was, and talked a little bit about some of the work that HRP was doing. And we wanted to show you it again because it's really incredible how in a few short months it's made a huge transformation. And Matt is here to tell us a little bit more about some of the work that HRP did and detail some of the changes that you're going to see.
Yeah, so a lot has changed since we were here last time. When we were here last time, right behind us, there was a huge pile of topsoil. That's all been distributed across the site now, along with all the other stockpiles. That was one aspect of what we were doing out here. We were, general oversight of all the soil movement as far as mining activities and redistribution onto building pads and pulling topsoil from some areas and moving them to where it's needed in other areas. Additionally, the vapor mitigation system has been successfully installed with our oversight. Last time we were out here in May, we were working on the vapor barrier install on both buildings. The vapor barrier goes above the vapor vent system, below the concrete slab of the building. It helps to trap any potential vapors that ever could be in the area and route them up through the top of the building out of the roof. So now they have installed that vapor barrier, poured the concrete slab, and constructed this building on top of it. The vapor vents are run up the columns inside the building and out of the roof. The system is not active now, but if there ever arises a need for it, it can be switched on. So last time we were out here, there were stockpiles of topsoil, stockpiles of mined sand from on-site mining activities. Those stockpiles have now been redistributed. The mined sand was used for the building pads as well as, below the paved surfaces. Topsoil was then spread in the swales and landscaped areas. Processed gravel from the old runways was redistributed for underlayment underneath pavement. So I know it's maybe even hard to tell we're even on the same site as last May. So much has changed in such a short period of time. It's nice for you guys to come along with us and see our role in such a large project like this.